Hi folks, Dr. Ed Beyer here again. Today we're going to talk about reason number 2 why you are diabetic. Folks, you have to understand that yes, diabetes has a genetic component to it, but I, for example, my mother and several of my uncles have type 2 diabetes, and I don't have diabetes because there are environmental triggers to diabetes. Many things can add to your genetic predisposal to diabetes that if you eliminate, you can reverse diabetes. Yes, you can reverse diabetes if you identify and remove all of the environmental triggers. Today we're going to talk about one of them, and that's inflammation. Inflammation means an immune activation. When you have an immune activation, what's going to happen is the messengers, the protein messengers in your immune system, these are called cytokines, are going to be elevated, okay? And what cytokines do, when they're elevated due to an immune activation, they are going to decrease the effectiveness of insulin. Folks, when you have type 2 diabetes, you do not have too little insulin, you have too much insulin. The problem is your cells are not listening to it. It's like if you're talking at your wife or your spouse or your husband all the time, and they just tune you out. That's what's happening. In type 2 diabetes, the cells are not responding to the insulin, and it's as if it is low. And one of the things that'll do that are increased cytokines. One of the reasons for chronic inflammation in the body that I see clinically in all my diabetic or blood sugar problem patients are hidden viruses. Things like Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus, even the shingles virus, or herpes simplex virus, whether it be oral or genital, or hidden gut infections. I cannot tell you how many times patients come to me and they got hidden parasites or bacterial infections or yeast overgrowths in their digestive tract and don't even know it. And it's causing chronic inflammation, chronically elevated cytokines, and that's impairing their ability of their cells to listen to insulin. If this makes sense, you need to understand there are so many things that can cause diabetes besides diet that we need to look at if we're truly going to take someone and reverse it. I'm going to invite you to my workshop I'm going to be holding May 20th in my clinic in Tinley Park at 6:30, Reversing Diabetes. If this makes sense to you, you're going to be amazed at what else you're going to hear when I give that workshop. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.